Schedule Builder. Schedule Builder is a tool that can assist you in creating a class schedule based off your preferences. We have created a tutorial specific to what our College of Engineering students must know. Start at the student homepage and click Registration. Next, select Schedule Builder. Select only the main campus option. Notice there are already courses under the Current Schedule and Shopping Cart headings. If you have enrolled in classes already or have classes in your shopping cart that you want the Schedule Builder to account for in their schedule recommendations, leave these classes selected. If you want Schedule Builder to start completely from scratch, uncheck these options. Now we will focus on the top of the page. First, we will go to Course Status. This option will allow you to decide if you want to see courses that are only open or if you also want to see classes that are full. Keep in mind, selecting the Open and Full option allows Schedule Builder to make recommendations for classes that are already full. Next, we will look at instruction modes. There are a variety of formats in which you can opt to take classes. If your advisor has recommended you to take Chem 1215, you will want to leave the Hybrid option selected, as this is considered a hybrid course. Next, we will go to Locations. In the Location section, you will be able to select where you want to attend courses. If you want to stay on the main campus, you will want to select Salt Lake City only. If you are okay with traveling to Sandy, Utah, please be mindful of this as you schedule your classes. You will want to be sure you have enough time to commute between courses. Now it is time to add the courses your advisor has recommended. Select Add Course. Go through and enter the subject and course number of the classes you are looking to add. As you add each course, you will see it pop up on the right-hand side. You can then add the course. Pay close attention to the number of digits listed in the course section. 2- and 3-digit courses indicate non-credit courses. 4 digits indicates there are courses that you want to take for credit. These are the courses that will go towards your Gen Ed and major requirements. If you cannot find a course, it is likely the class is already full or not offered that particular semester. Double check with your advisor, especially if they recommend you take the class. Please also note you cannot search in Schedule Builder to determine if classes meet general education requirements. Searching for Fine Arts under the subject area or by course attribute means that these classes are offered by the Fine Arts Department. This does not mean they meet Fine Arts general education requirements. If you have questions on if a class meets a Gen Ed, you can speak to your advisor. If you were told you need to take a specific section of a class, for example History 1700, Section 092, select the Options button next to the course you need whittled down. If you need to work or can't be on campus at a particular time, you can schedule a break to let Schedule Builder know what time you don't want to be in class. Now that we have set all of our parameters, we can select Generate Schedules. To get a brief idea of what each schedule looks like, hover over the magnifying glass. To compare up to 4 schedules, select the classes you want to view and select Compare. To look at a schedule in more detail, select View. This screen will give you a more in-depth view of the schedule you have selected. If you want to see how many credit hours you have registered for, look in the upper right-hand corner. If the number is smaller than you anticipated, double check that you did not accidentally add a 2 or 3 digit number course. You may notice that it looks like this student is in 2 Chem 1210 classes. The Chem 1210 course contains a lecture and a discussion section which have been combined to give you 4 credit hours. Chem 1215 has an online component, which is why there is only one line of Chem 1215 listed as TBA. The portion that lists a time is your actual lab. You will notice that the History 1700 and the ESS 1414 courses have TBA listed as their location as well. TBA under Days and Locations means that it is truly a fully online course. It is also why you don't see it listed in your schedule below. Your Calculus 1 course has a lab built into it, which is why you are seeing 2 Math 1310 courses listed here. As a general rule, Schedule Builder will not allow you to add 2 courses that are the same. If a class looks like it is appearing twice, it is likely the course has a lecture, lab, or discussion built into the course. In these situations, one line of the class will carry the full credit hours, while the other line will display 0 credit hours. If you go down a little further, you will see the ESF course has a shorter line next to it. This is to show you that your ESF course is only half a semester course. In comparison, all your other courses are a full semester long. This area shows the full picture of your potential class schedule. Again, remember some of your courses are online and will not appear here as they do not have an assigned time and location. Once you have picked your final schedule, you're almost done. Select Send to Shopping Cart. Note that Schedule Builder will save the data you have entered in the event you need to come back. Select Import Cart. Continue to select Next until you have gone through all of your imported classes. Click Proceed to Step 2 of 3. Select Finish Enrolling. The green check marks will allow you to know the classes you have successfully added. If you have a green check mark and you opted to waitlist a class, it means you've successfully waitlisted the course. The red X's mean that you were not able to add the class. To view your schedule, select View My Class Schedule. Another way to view your class schedule is by the weekly calendar view. Please remember, if you have any questions or concerns, speak with your academic advisor.